All right, good day, folks. It's your boy Ferris. This is my channel for real fragrances, where I bring you fragrance reviews as I get fragrances in. I've gotten this fragrance in. It's called Armafs Bucepahlus, and I think it is number 11 or number 9. And it's supposed to have been the vintage cologne. I'd seen it way back in 2018 and realized I wanted that. I looked at it, I said, I wanted it. I wanted it because of the bottle. I wanted it more because they said it was an vintage cologne. Ugh. This is so bad though. I didn't even bother getting the notes for it. You can go find it anywhere else, but I didn't follow my own rules. I basically blind bought off of a review of somebody else, off of other people saying that this was good. This is a regret buy. I regret buy. Now, Armaf is a hit or miss with them. A lot of people were, for the longest time, promoting Darby House Blanche as a, a Silver Mountain Water, or, Silver Mountain Water replacement, or whatever have you. I bought that a couple years back and discovered it smelled like sweet piss. There's only a handful of fragrances that Armaf has that smell worth a damn. And that is Club de Nuit Intense and Tres Nuit. And then they squeeze that in, I may say Le Parfait, because it has that, it's supposed to be that vintage clone mashup with their green Irish tweed. That being said, I bought this because I looked at the presentation. I wanted it. He was like, for the price and for the price of it, I was like, the presentation is pretty dope. I want to see what it's about. And I'd seen it, the Russian guy do a video of it, and I saw the head of it. I was like, that is so dope. If the juice smells like Club de Nuit Intense, it's no problem. I can get it and smell good and all this other shit. And no, damn it. Oh, I put this on. I sprayed this bottle on. It's a little cute little bottle. Sprayed this on and sprayed it on my hand. And for the night, because I was excited. I was excited to wear it. I didn't, do a review at first. I wanted to smell it because Club de Nuit Intense smells pretty good. It's an vintage cologne. Smells pretty good. This is not that. This is not that. This is swamp water in a bottle. All the videos I tell you, you get something, you buy something, you're supposed to buy the samples. I should have listened to my own daggone me advice with that. This is swamp water in a bottle. I ain't gonna take up your time, but I like that the bottle has a good presentation, but the inside of this juice, oh my God, that shit just fucking stinks. I sprayed it on my skin, and all night long, if you kind of go through the night, you'll wake up and subconsciously smell yourself, especially if you sprayed something, you smell yourself through the night. I had nightmares of this. I had some of the worst nightmares of my life. And I'm not dreaming. I actually remember the dream. And I was running from a transformer, and that had flight powers. It was a Decepticon, actually, and it dropped a bomb on a building where I was at. And I was trying to, anyway it goes, not taking you down that weird path. Dreams are weird anyway. But this swamp water, don't buy it. Don't buy it because of the bottle. Don't buy it because somebody said it's good stuff. This shit stinks. Stinks. The reason why I'm doing a review before I got my other fragrances, I have other fragrances that I got in before that, is because today is yard sale day, and my mom is outside. She's out, today doing a yard sale. So I'm gonna take this to her, let her pawn this off on somebody else who thinks it might smell good or whatever have you. But to me and everybody else, that I'm just telling you, don't buy this shit. Save yourself an arm, save yourself a little bit of money. And along with that, along with other couple fragrances that I bought in the past, like the Ferrari fragrances, The bottles are nice. The fragrances and the juice in them stink. Anyway, that being said, this is Boy Ferris. Reminding you guys to be to dress your best, to be your best, and always do your best during the day. Don't buy this at all. Anyway, peace.